And again, this is our state tree, a western hemlock cone.
It is blending in with the ground. Found this one just weeding. Hello everybody, my name is Katie and I'm here today to tell you about our Sit Spot Challenge while we are doing our part in staying safe as part of the Stay Home, Stay Safe order. All you need for this challenge is yourself and a spot. Your spot hopefully can be out of doors, maybe in your yard, maybe on your porch, maybe at a local park that is open, where you can sit far away from other people. But basically, for the rest of the days that we are in Stay Home, Stay Safe, will be committing to coming to this spot every single day and spending at least 5 minutes here. And you can decide together with your family how long you want to stay there. But I will be staying here at least 5 minutes a day, and I'll be sending out prompts for you for every single day while we are doing this. That will help you get some creative juices flowing. But basically, all you need is yourself and a spot. But things that are helpful for this are a journal and some colored pencils or markers, maybe a pen, maybe a pencil. And this is just a chance to get to know one spot really, really well, and you get to notice a lot of really fun things while you're doing that. So today, while we get started, my first Sit Spot Challenge prompt for you is to close your eyes for at least 30 seconds and listen and see if you can write down what you hear in those 30 seconds. I look forward to sending you out the rest of the Sit Spot prompts and can't wait to see what you discover.